God, guys, look at what I've just found. Oh my gosh, it's a baby bird. Ooh. It's actually very innocent. I think now it's afraid. We humans have tampered with its natural setting. But I don't think I've tampered with it because I found it just right here. I think I've actually rescued it. Whew. It's very beautiful. Guys, you can see how the nest is woven. Look at these are actually bird droppings here. It actually helps to tighten, to hold tight the nest. Oh my god. Look at it. So guys, this is the bird that I found. Guys, tell me, what should I do with this bird? Should I just leave it here? But I'm afraid because there's actually a stream right here. Come and show them the stream. There's a stream down here, and maybe this bird will fall. Maybe this bird will fall down, maybe due to the wind or something. So I don't want anything to happen to this bird. So guys, should I go with it at home or what should I do? Tell me on the comment section. And guys, please be sure to give the video a like, comment, subscribe, do everything. Yeah, give me suggestion on what to do with this bird. It's actually a very beautiful bird, and I'm actually a self-proclaimed conservationist of the environment and animals. So I don't want anything to happen to this beautiful bird. So guys, tell me on the comment section.